It's cool to try to eliminate the habits. But just eliminate the habits, that's just half of the work. You have to replace the habit with something else. Let's say you have a house with a bunch of old furniture. And the old furniture would be related to the bad habits. So the house full of old furniture, bad habits. And you recognize you have them old furniture / bad habits. You don't want them in your house. So your woman, you take out everything and your woman, you put them in the garage. Like everything, all the old furniture in the house, you put everything in the garage. So now you're in the house, it's empty house with nothing. Chilling, it's great because ain't no old furniture up in here. Ain't no bad habits. After a while, you have a seat. So say, you go in the garage and take out a one chair so at least I can sit down. Now you're in the house, empty house, but you have a chair so you can sit down. You get bored, you might want watch a TV or something, you know what I mean? Like, we go in the garage and take a TV and just have a chair and TV. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's still much better than it was. And then if you continue on that path, eventually everything in the garage is back in the house. So it's good to identify the negative habits and get rid of the negative habits. But if you don't replace them with something else, them negative habits come back.